Wigs are no longer a shortcut. In 2026, they're a luxury tool. Stylish women wear wigs for convenience, consistency, and polish, but here's the truth most people won't say. A wig can either elevate your entire look or instantly cheapen it, and it's rarely about the price. It's about the details. Let's break down the most common wig mistakes that quietly ruin your look and exactly how to fix them. The first mistake is an obvious hairline. Nothing gives away a wig faster than a visible lace line or a harsh, unnatural edge. This usually happens when the lace isn't blended properly, the wig is placed too far forward, or the lace color doesn't match the skin tone. The fix is simple but powerful. Choose wigs with transparent or HD lace. Tint the lace to match your skin tone, and position the wig slightly behind your natural hairline. A soft, undetectable hairline instantly makes a wig look expensive. The second mistake is too much hair density. Many people assume more hair means better quality, but overly thick wigs often look bulky and unrealistic. Instead of elegance, they overwhelm the face. The fix is choosing natural densities and adding layers for movement. Luxury hair always looks effortless, never heavy. The third mistake is unnatural shine. Hair that looks overly glossy often appears synthetic, even if it's human hair. This usually comes from silicone coatings or too much product. To fix this, wash new wigs before wearing them, avoid heavy oils, and use light styling products. Real luxury hair reflects light softly, not sharply. The fourth mistake is wearing the same wig the same way every day. Even the best wig can start to look tired when it's never refreshed. Stylish women change the part, add soft waves, or rotate between 2 or 3 wigs. Variation keeps your look intentional and polished. The fifth mistake is ignoring face shape. A beautiful wig can still look wrong if it doesn't suit your proportions. Long, straight styles may overwhelm round faces, while heavy volume can overpower delicate features. Choosing wigs that balance your face shape makes everything look more refined. Tailoring isn't just for clothes, it's for hair too. The sixth mistake is poor maintenance. Dryness, frizz, tangling, or stiffness instantly cheapen your appearance. Luxury wigs require care. Wash gently, deep condition regularly, store them properly, and avoid sleeping in them unnecessarily. Maintenance is part of elegance. The seventh mistake is overstyled baby hairs. Heavy, dramatic baby hairs were trendy, but in 2026, they often look forced. Minimal or no baby hairs usually look more natural and expensive. Subtlety always wins. The eighth mistake is wearing the wrong wig for your lifestyle. Ultra glam hair for everyday errands or work can feel out of place. Elegant women build a small wig wardrobe. A sleek straight wig for polished days. Soft waves for everyday elegance. Curls for events. A bob for confident, modern looks. The right wig always fits the moment. Here's the truth. A luxury wig doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't announce itself. It blends seamlessly. It looks natural up close. It feels intentional. When a wig is done right, people don't ask where you got it. They assume it's your real hair on its best day. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is polish. When you choose quality, customize thoughtfully, maintain properly, and style with restraint, your wig stops being a wig. It becomes part of your presence. And nothing elevates a look faster than hair that feels effortless, refined, and quietly luxurious.